Alright, imagine this. Samsung's next budget phone, the Galaxy S25 FE, might actually shake things up in a way we didn't expect. This isn't just a toned-down flagship, it feels like a bold, confusing move that could either be a clever trick or a surprise hit. Rumors and leaks are flying everywhere, so let's break it down together. Hey everyone, Sam here. If you love juicy tech leaks and easy-to-understand breakdowns, hit that like button, share with your friends, and subscribe so you don't miss the latest updates. Now let's dive into the mystery of the Galaxy S25 FE. First up, Samsung is sticking with the Exynos 2400 chip. No Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 here, not even the rumored weaker Exynos 2400E, just the full Exynos 2400 like in the Galaxy S24. Sounds solid, but the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 is already leaving it behind. Plus, there's no Snapdragon version for the S25 FE anywhere. Samsung's really going all in on Exynos this time, and not everyone's happy about that. Now, about the RAM minus 8 GB again. That's enough for daily stuff, but if you multitask, game a lot, or want your phone to last years, 8 GB might feel tight, especially with all the AI features Samsung's adding to One UI. Speaking of AI, here's the exciting part. This S25 FE should run One UI 7 on Android 15, and Samsung's loading it up with AI features. Think live lock screen widgets that change as you use your phone, AI tools that clean up video background noise, and drawing helpers that turn your scribbles into cool digital art, even if you're not an artist. And it gets better. The circle to search feature is leveling up too. It won't just recognize objects anymore, it'll read text and screenshots, like phone numbers or promo codes, and let you act on them right away. Imagine circling a screenshot of your boarding pass and instantly opening the airline app with your flight info. Pretty slick, right? Design-wise, Samsung's rumored to use new battery tech to make the phone slimmer and lighter without killing battery life. It could even be sleeker than the regular S25, which is a big deal since most phones are getting thicker or folding. Camera-wise, it's a bit meh. The back cameras stay the same as last year's 50MP main and ultrawide, but the front camera is upgrading from 10MP to 12MP, so better selfies and video calls. Not groundbreaking, but it's something. Here's a twist. This phone might drop after the Galaxy Z Flip FE or Flip 7 FE, which could also use the same Exynos chip. Samsung might be building a whole budget lineup around this processor. A midrange Samsung club, if you will. Could be smart, or it could get messy. So is the S25 FE a hit or miss? If Samsung prices it right, nails those AI features, and keeps software support strong, it could be one of the best FE phones yet. But if it's too close in price to the S25 or Z Flip FE, it could get lost in the crowd. The mid-range phone market is crowded, and every spec matters. Bottom line, the Galaxy S25 FE isn't about flashy specs. It's playing it smart with AI, solid software, and just enough flagship feel to keep you interested without breaking the bank. So is it for casual users, former flagship lovers, or budget Samsung fans? Probably all three. What are you most excited about? The AI magic, the camera upgrades, or the Exynos gamble? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'm watching like it's the stock market. And don't forget to smash like, subscribe, and hit the bell for the next Samsung scoop. See you in the next video.